happy morning to all of you. Okay, I have some points to ponder for this morning. There are things in life that need not be diverted, initiated, need not be modified in order to be implemented. Why I am telling this is that may narinig ako in the past, may mga some of us, mga naglalambing, nanghihingi para daw kay RD. No? Manghihingi sa station, manghihingi sa mga inspectors, mga hepe, ibigay kay RD. I would like to inform you that hindi ako natutuwa. Ever since that I assumed position as the regional director in Region 10, wala pa akong hiningian isa man sa inyo. I am different. Ayoko merong any one of you who will use my name manghihingi sa ground para kay RD. In your personal capability, wala ako isa man, kahit hepe, kahit inspector, sino man, na nanghihingi ako sa inyo financially. So as a reminder, please show you disseminate that to the other units, to the lower units. Please refrain from using the name of RD to ask something, especially if it is money. So you know what I mean? Ladies and gentlemen, so that's my first point. Second, I've heard from Manila that magkaroon tayo ng RD's Cup. And there were instructions that all contestants in the RD's Cup is required to contribute something in order to augment in the budget of our RD's Cup. Please pass the word that I don't like that. Walang magko-contribute sa RD's Cup. If we have money provided by the budget officer, the finance officer, then we will make do with that. Kung hindi kaya, magtipid tayo. Pag wala pera si Mark, kung ano lang yung kaya ng pera ni Mark, yun ang i-enjoy natin. Can we not enjoy without money? Lahat na lang ba? Magdalaw natin pera-pera? I don't like that. Arda, please tell RCS to make a memo disseminating on all provinces that there will be no registrations and no contributions from the competing teams coming from different provinces. Maghanap tayo ng other way na makover natin ang expenses ng ating RD's Cup. Kung kailangan natin ng mga military awards, dati ang pangarap nyo siguro 50 mil ang champion, kung 10 mil ang pa-award ni Mark, 10 mil, pero napakalaking plato of appreciation. Hindi ba pwede yun? Pwede. But the most important thing there is the camaraderie, our enjoyment, the delivery of our official function, sumaya tayo sa ating RD's Cup. I do not want that your own money, dahil hindi kayo mayayaman, will be utilized in order to execute an official activity for the Bureau of Fire Protection. Hindi ako ganyan. At babaguhin natin ang mentality of using our personnel. Hindi kayo ay bubunot at magsisikripisyo para sa Bureau of Fire Protection. Kasi sa National Headquarters pinangalandakan nila, mayaman ang Bureau of Fire Protection. Bakit kayo naghihirap? On that connection, that is why I'm trying very much to establish our cooperative. Because in the cooperative, I will tell you, you will gain something from that. Financially. You will not, you will realize this now, but then if this is successful, I'll tell you frankly, Ang dream ko rito is that hindi ako mangingimi, hindi ako magdadalawang isip na i-convince kayo to join this. But yung hindi mag-join, wala din sa pilitan kasi this is voluntary. Pero, huwag kayong magsisi, if one of these days maririnig nyo that members of the cooperative ay may pinagkukunan. Hindi utang ang ibig kong sabihin. You will gain something from this. Pero wag lang kayong sasama ang loob, gagawa ng other side of the story, maninira sa kapwa. Because after all those negative attitudes, maniwala kayo at hindi, it will boomerang to you. That's a mirror effect. If this is a good activity, good initiative, then join that. That is biblical. If this is a bad activity, bad undertaking, then refrain from doing that. If you cannot justify, if you do not understand, because there are many gray areas, search the truth. Learn. Ask. So that when you make a decision, you are sure of yourself what is right from wrong. And especially, pray for everything. Pray for wisdom so that you will know how to decide from the wrong to the right. I often do that so many times in the past, ever since I became an officer. Lord, give me wisdom so that I know what is wrong from the right. Dahil hindi lahat mababasa natin, hindi lahat makikita natin, hindi lahat alam natin. You pray for your decision, that it is a good decision and it is sanctioned by the heavens. Kailangan natin ng guidance, ladies and gentlemen. So much of that sad story. Sad reminder, but very important. Let us go to the letter 1. I would like to extend my warmest gratitude and congratulations at napakasaya ko to the group of logistics and the members of the infrastructure section for the accomplished undertakings that have been completed this week. So although it is just an initial success, but the office of the fire chief was very happy that all of our municipalities with the fire stations had already been for activation. Kung paano ginawa nila ito yun, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nagsasakripisyo that all of the station ng Region 10 ay magkakaroon na ng activated fire station. In fact, 5 of the stations ng Lanao del Norte ay may budget na for construction of fire station. Yes. We will just wait for the Sabsaro. And Ginsiliban, well, you know, it's slowly starting. Nauna silang nabigyan eh. Then 4 of the municipal stations ng Lanao na wala pang budget, but according to the party, the minute na masabit natin sa DBM yung pinaka-complete na dokumento, hindi na maghihintay ng buy-box, i-download na nila kaagad. Any moment now, nandito na ang budget. But for the meantime, dahil walang budget, because it is the instruction of the Secretary of the ALG, bibigyan muna nila tayo ng temporary shelter. Yun yung gawa ng container van na nakalisensya as station. So, 4 na lang yun. Bibigyan natin sila doon ng container van na nakadesign as fire station. It amounted to 5 million each. So, meron tayong 20 million na darating. Container van lang yun. But the rest will be full blast construction na. This is before the SONA of the President of the Republic of the Philippines. So please, again, a big round of applause to those people who have given time. Second, congratulations. Wala si Joy dito. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude and congratulations na masaya ako for the admin people, for the members of the committee, and especially for the members of the selection and recruitment board, for staging a very successful recruitment process. from the attrition to the regular hiring. Our attrition and regular hiring is a big success. Walang lapses, walang sabit, walang problema. What we just need now is that to tone down the issues because it doesn't give any value to whatever challenges it is bombarded to us. I think that is insignificant. But most of all, we have a strong additional force in the Bureau of Fire Protection. Sa totoo lang, ladies and gentlemen, hindi nyo makikita, pero when I attended the take-off in National Headquarters, so naka-aircon kami, no? The 200 recruits in the National Headquarters, naka-aircon kami. Then nag-take off sila doon, ng mga recruit. While the party is delivering speech, biglang may mga nag-back down. Naka-aircon kami. No, nag-back down sila doon. Lumabas ko rin mga pagkabisaya ng iba, uy, nausan ni. No, uy, nausan siya. Dinabungtan din ka dyan. No? But I am proud that while I'm monitoring the take-off, the reception of the PNP Region 10, ni isa, wala man lang nagkulang-kulang, wala man lang nahina. Give round of applause to those who are instrumental for their process. I am very proud of the Region 10 force that supported this very special and very needed undertaking of the region. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, we will be activating 10 fire stations at the Northern Norte. We have a special instruction to man those stations, then we will man the station with sensibility, with a rational decision on that time. No? So I thank you for those who initiated those very, very successful activities. I thank you for all your cooperation. Today there is a conduct of seminar on first aid responders. No, there's a seminar on first aid responders attended by some of our personnel. So that is a very good development to us. And I ask also the National Headquarters na dagdagan ang training natin sa investigators. I think kampante ako sa ating 40 hours para sa excess dahil madali lang naman tayo magpakandak ng 40 hours. Pero yung investigators mahirap. This is a budget extension training. At nag-request ako na madagdagan sana tayo because yung training na ikakandak ngayon sa Bukidnon ay sponsored by the local. Pero wala talaga tayo, kulang pa rin. But I encourage the ating more skills ba? Suppression, rescue, RSS, saka investigation. I encourage all the chiefs sana, and challenge na kumandro, to program something that the skills of our personnel will be enhanced, especially on the basic requirements for the Bureau of Fire Responders. Especially as EMS rescue. Paulit-ulit ko lang sinabi yan. What is our program to enhance the EMS rescue capability of our personnel? May marunong man lang mag-resuscitate, marunong man lang magtali ng sugat, marunong man lang dyan magbuhay ng mga nagpupulaps. We should be very expert in that skill. Lalo na hindi tayo firefighter, hindi tayo responder. Because I told you again, as I told so many times in the past, especially if mga mayors ang kausap ko, that kung may nangyaring incident sa ating kakalsadahan, ng motorista dyan na natumba, namunyot, nabungi, ito pa nabatay, tapos you are wearing your uniform, dadaanan nyo, stop and help them in whatever way you can. Hindi nyo pwedeng lagpas-lagpasan lang yan because that is one of our primordial functions to save lives and property. Hindi yung makichismosa lang, no? Marites lang, uy, ano nangyari sa kanya? Ay, kawawa naman, duguan. Hindi pwedeng ganon. Ladies and gentlemen, you stop, talk to the victim, ano ang kondisyon niya, if hindi marunong call a friend. Call an ambulance, tumawag ng katropa natin, mag-responde. Sino nga asahan natin yan? Red Cross, hindi RRMC, taga-hospital, walang pupunta doon. Usually mga marites lang ang makisiumpok. But you, the Bureau of Protection, that is your primordial your responsibility. Nakalagay na yan sa ating tasking. We save lives and property, not only in solo, but in all accidents. So yun sana ang pinapangarap ko na na-intact natin. So that is a challenge that I would like to throw into you. No? Improve yourself. Yan ang laging paulit sinabi ni Parchit. You continue to improve yourself so that the community, the quality of safety for the community will be improved. So, by that saying, I thank you for your presence. Lahat ng nag-attend ngayon, thank you for listening. Yung hindi nag-attend, well, uulitin ko naman siguro ito kasi kahit masakit ang lalamunan ko, but hindi ako magsasawang paulit-ulit na magyayawyaw sa inyo. Salamat sa inyong cooperation, salamat sa inyong presence, mga senior officer. Thank you for everything, and may we have a very fruitful and happy weekend. I don't want a gloomy environment. Ayoko yung opisina natin nakasimangot. Ayoko yung opisina natin marami nag-iintriga. I want a happy workplace. So, from here on, thank you, and be good, everybody. Good morning.
That concludes our one-day flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, Fire Officer 1 at Sylvester Lawa. Thank you, and let us have a safe and productive week ahead.